Let's take a look at another one of these micro or mini replica BB guns. This one we're going to take a look at is the M16. See on here, the 4 different types. The M16 is the HB101. You have the gun manual and a small pack of ammo to get you started, which won't last long at all. Not the way these guns go through ammo. All you need to do is put AA batteries in the bottom. It doesn't come with batteries. I'll show that now. Make sure that if you've got a plus end, it touches where it says plus. There's plus, minus, minus, plus. You just basically make sure they touch. Full working safety on here. Just hold that forward when you press the trigger. These guns hold a ridiculous amount of ammo. You slide the door open here and pour them in. They hold about 80 to 100. Let's use the 0.12 gram BBs. Already had some in this gun. Give it a shake so they all line up. These guns are incredible rate of fire, great scatter gun, and not only that, they hardly miss a shot, which is incredible. Don't know if you can see that. See if I can get close to the lens. And we're out. Emptied them already. Crazy, these small guns. Excellent quality from a very good manufacturer, HFC. Take a look, they're on the site now.